Okay, example E says, in triangle ABC, the measure of angle A is 70 degrees. Angle B is congruent to angle C. What is the measure of angle B in degrees? Okay, so this is one of the main things that they can do, where they don't give you even a picture of the triangle. But you know what? You can always draw one. It doesn't matter really what the triangle looks like, but I know that since two of the angles are congruent, I'm going to make them look kind of the same. Okay, if those two angles are congruent, that means that this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so this is going to be angle B and C, and up here is angle A, and they said that it is 70 degrees. So, if angle B and C are congruent, remember congruent means the same. Okay, so angle A is the 70 degree one. I'm just going to put that one up at the top. So, these are your congruent base angles, and we don't know what those are, so we can just write X for those, because those are our unknowns. Okay, and like I always do, I'm going to make my equation. This time, instead of angle 1, 2, and 3, I'm just going to name them with these letters. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C, always, with every triangle, whenever you add them up, always equals 180 degrees. Angle A, I know, is 70, plus angle B is X, and angle C is also X. That equals 180 degrees. Okay, at this step, we want to combine like terms. These two x's, I'm going to turn that into 2x. If I have two x's, that's going to be 2x. Then I bring down this 70 plus, and that all equals 180. Now this is a very familiar, or it should be, familiar type of problem. This is just a two-step equation that you need to solve. You need to get x by itself. First, we want to take care of the easy stuff, not the x, but the number that's just by itself, right here. This 70, that's a positive 70, it's being added, so the only way to get rid of that is to subtract 70 from both sides. Remember, if you do it to one side, you have to do it to the other. Now those are gone, and 2x equals 180 minus 70 is 110. Okay, we're not done yet because x is not by itself. It has a 2 there, and that 2 is being multiplied with x. The only way to get rid of multiplication is, well, we always need to do the opposite, and the opposite of multiplication is division. So we need to divide both sides by 2. So x equals 110 divided by 2. 2 will not go into 1. 2 goes into 11 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, and you get 1. Bring down this 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Okay, so x equals 55 degrees. Now, let's be sure that we are answering what they asked. They said, what is the measure of angle B? They didn't ask for x. In fact, they didn't have x in there at all. We put the x in there. Okay, x and angle B, though, they are the same. So, we're okay with this one. Angle B is the same thing as x. So, angle B is 55 degrees. Okay, go ahead and do the your turn on your own.